How to upload and edit PDF in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, below the search bar, you're going to tap on Upload, Add Media. You're going to tap right here. After you have done that, you will select Upload Files. From there, you can select the PDF that you would like to edit. So you're going to tap on Open. Once you have tapped on Open, you're going to give it a few seconds and you're going to tap on View. And you can see the PDF is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, you'll tap on the PDF. After tapping on the PDF, you'll be led to a new page. And let's say, for example, I would like to change the picture that is currently on the PDF. I could select the pic that is there, as you can see right here. And I could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Elements, for example. Or I could select Uploads, and from there I could upload a picture. Or I could select Elements and I could choose a different pic. So let's say, for example, dog, and I'm just going to be selecting a dog photo. So I'll select dogs right there. And let's say, for example's sake, I would like to use this photo. So I'll simply delete the photo that is there. And I'll drag and place this photo. And I'll adjust the size of the photo. So I can adjust it to my liking, as you can see right there. And that's how I'll be able to make changes. I could also change the text by selecting the text. You can edit the text section. For example, if you would like to also change the font size or style, you could select the font that is currently there. Then go over to the top left hand corner where you see Proxima Nova. You could tap there and you could change the font style. You can also change the font size. So let's say I were to change it from 11 to 14. You can see how it looks right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Once you're finished, you'll go over to the top right hand corner, select Share, tap on Download, change the file type from PNG and you can change it to PDF. Then you'll select Download and you'll be able to download your new PDF with the edits that you have made. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative.